What if your breakfast could actually stabilize your blood sugar, reduce cravings, and give you steady energy for the entire day? The truth is, most people with diabetes are eating the wrong foods in the morning, and it's silently spiking their glucose levels without them even realizing it. But today, you'll discover 11 powerful breakfast foods that can help you take control of your blood sugar naturally. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of these foods is shockingly simple, yet incredibly effective, and almost no one is talking about it. Let's start with something creamy and powerful. Avocados. Avocados are one of the most powerful breakfast foods for people with diabetes, and the reason comes down to their unique nutritional profile. They are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, both of which play a key role in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means instead of experiencing a rapid spike in blood glucose after your meal, your body processes energy more gradually, helping you maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the morning. Another major advantage of avocados is how satisfying they are. Because they are rich in healthy fats, they help you feel full for longer periods of time, reducing unnecessary snacking and cravings, especially for sugary or high-carb foods. This is extremely important for diabetics, as controlling hunger and avoiding sudden glucose spikes can significantly improve overall blood sugar management and insulin sensitivity over time. The best part is how easy avocados are to include in your breakfast. You can spread them on whole grain toast, add them to eggs, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them with a pinch of salt and lemon. It's a simple, delicious, and highly effective way to start your day with better blood sugar control, and once you make it a habit, you'll notice the difference in your energy and cravings almost immediately. Now let's talk about a classic, oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the most recommended breakfast options for people with diabetes, but only when you choose the right type. Steel-cut or rolled oats are packed with a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which plays a powerful role in slowing down how quickly glucose enters your bloodstream. Instead of causing a sudden spike in blood sugar, oatmeal provides a steady and controlled release of energy, helping you stay balanced and focused throughout the morning. Another important benefit of oatmeal is its ability to improve satiety and reduce cravings. The combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates helps you feel full for longer, which can prevent overeating and reduce the temptation to reach for sugary snacks later in the day. Over time, this can support better weight management, a key factor in improving insulin sensitivity and overall diabetes control. However, not all oatmeal is created equal. Instant flavored oats often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients that can spike your blood sugar quickly, exactly what you want to avoid. Instead, go for plain oats and enhance them naturally by adding cinnamon, nuts, seeds, or a handful of berries. This not only improves the taste, but also adds extra nutrients, making your breakfast both delicious and perfectly diabetes-friendly. Before we continue, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Healthy Grams, because we post simple, powerful health tips every single day to help you take control of your body naturally. A simple yet powerful protein source. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods for people with diabetes, mainly because they are rich in high-quality protein and contain almost zero carbohydrates. This means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them an ideal choice to start your day without worrying about glucose spikes. Instead of causing fluctuations, eggs help keep your blood sugar stable, which is exactly what your body needs in the morning. Another key benefit of eggs is their ability to keep you full and satisfied for hours. Protein slows down digestion and helps regulate hunger hormones, reducing the chances of overeating or craving sugary foods later in the day. For diabetics, this is extremely important, as consistent eating patterns and controlled appetite can significantly improve overall blood sugar management and insulin response. What makes eggs even more powerful is their versatility and ease of preparation. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, poached, or as part of an omelet with vegetables like spinach or tomatoes, they fit perfectly into any healthy breakfast routine. Pairing eggs with fiber-rich foods can further enhance their benefits, giving you a balanced, satisfying, and diabetes-friendly start to your day. Something sweet, without the sugar spike. Berries. Berries are one of the best fruits you can include in a diabetes-friendly breakfast, especially if you're craving something naturally sweet. Unlike many other fruits, berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Instead, they provide a gentle and steady release of natural sugars, making them a safe and satisfying option for people managing diabetes. What makes berries even more powerful is their high fiber content and rich supply of of antioxidants. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, while antioxidants support overall metabolic health and help reduce inflammation, a key factor linked to insulin resistance. This combination makes berries not just a sweet treat, but a functional food that actively supports better blood sugar control. Another great advantage of berries is how easy they are to include in your daily routine. You can add them to oatmeal, mix them into Greek yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them on their own. They add natural sweetness, vibrant color, and powerful health benefits to your breakfast, proving that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up delicious foods. A creamy protein boost. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is one of the most effective breakfast choices for people with diabetes, thanks to its high protein content and low carbohydrate profile. Protein plays a key role in slowing down digestion, which helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after eating. This means that starting your day with Greek yogurt can provide a more stable and sustained release of energy, keeping your glucose levels balanced throughout the morning. Another powerful benefit of Greek yogurt is its rich content of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is closely linked to better blood sugar regulation and improved insulin sensitivity. By regularly including probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt in your diet, you're not only supporting digestion, but also helping your body manage blood sugar more efficiently over time. However, it's important to choose the right type. Many flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars, which can quickly spike blood glucose levels and cancel out the benefits. Always go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and enhance it naturally with toppings like berries, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This simple combination creates a delicious, balanced, and diabetes-friendly breakfast that supports both taste and health. Don't skip this green powerhouse. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most underrated breakfast foods for people with diabetes, yet it delivers incredible benefits with almost zero impact on blood sugar levels. It is extremely low in carbohydrates while being rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, and vitamins A and C. Because it doesn't raise blood glucose, spinach can be added freely to your meals, making it a powerful way to boost nutrition without any risk of spikes. One of the key advantages of spinach is its role in improving insulin sensitivity. Magnesium, in particular, plays an important part in how your body uses insulin, and getting enough of it can help your cells respond more effectively to blood sugar. In addition, spinach is packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, a major factor linked to poor blood sugar control and long-term complications of diabetes. The best part is how easy it is to include spinach in your breakfast without changing the taste too much. You can add it to omelets, blend it into smoothies, or sauté it lightly as a side dish. It's a simple upgrade that adds powerful health benefits to your morning routine. And over time, these small changes can make a big difference in how your body manages blood sugar and energy levels. A crunchy addition that makes a difference. Nuts. Nuts are one of the most effective and convenient breakfast additions for people with diabetes, thanks to their powerful combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. This trio works together to slow down digestion and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels after eating. Instead of causing rapid fluctuations, nuts help keep your glucose levels steady, giving you more consistent energy throughout the morning. Another major benefit of nuts is their ability to improve overall metabolic health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in nutrients such as magnesium and antioxidants, which support better insulin function and reduce inflammation in the body. Regularly including nuts in your diet has been linked to improved blood sugar control and a lower risk of developing complications related to diabetes. What makes nuts even more appealing is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily routine. You can add a handful to your oatmeal or Greek yogurt, pair them with fruit, or simply enjoy them on their own as a quick breakfast option. Just remember to keep your portions moderate, as nuts are calorie-dense. When eaten mindfully, they become a simple, satisfying, and highly effective way to support your blood sugar and overall health. Choose this instead of regular bread. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a much smarter breakfast choice for people with diabetes compared to refined white bread, and the difference comes down to how your body processes it. Whole grains retain their fiber and nutrients, which slow down digestion and help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Instead of causing a quick surge followed by a crash, whole grain toast provides a more gradual and steady release of energy, exactly what your body needs to stay balanced throughout the morning. Another key benefit of whole grain toast is its ability to keep you feeling full for for longer. The higher fiber content not only supports better digestion, but also helps control appetite and reduce cravings later in the day. This is especially important for diabetics, as managing hunger plays a big role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and avoiding unnecessary snacking on high sugar or processed foods. To get the maximum benefit, it's important to choose true whole grain bread, not just brown bread that may still be refined. Look for labels that say 100% whole grain or whole wheat as the first ingredient. Pair your toast with healthy toppings like avocado, eggs, or nut butter to create a balanced meal that includes fiber, protein, and healthy fats, giving you a satisfying diabetes-friendly start to your day. An unexpected breakfast option. Beans. Beans might not be the first food that comes to mind for breakfast, but they are one of the most powerful choices for people with diabetes. They are packed with both fiber and plant-based protein, a combination that slows down digestion and helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Instead of causing sudden fluctuations, beans provide a steady release of energy, making them an excellent way to start your day on the right track. Another major benefit of beans is their ability to improve long-term blood sugar control. The high fiber content helps regulate how glucose is absorbed into the bloodstream, while also supporting gut health and reducing insulin resistance over time. In fact, regularly including beans in your diet has been linked to better glycemic control and improved overall metabolic health, which is especially important for managing diabetes effectively. What makes beans even more valuable is their versatility. You can add them to a savory breakfast bowl with eggs and vegetables, include them in a whole grain wrap, or enjoy them as a warm side dish. They are affordable, filling, and incredibly nutritious. And once you get used to including them in your morning routine, they can become one of the most satisfying and beneficial parts of your diabetes-friendly diet. A simple drink that supports blood sugar. Green tea. Green tea is one of the simplest yet most powerful additions you can make to your morning routine if you're managing diabetes. It contains natural compounds called catechins, which have been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity and support better blood sugar regulation. Unlike sugary drinks or even fruit juices, green tea has virtually no carbohydrates or calories, meaning it won't cause spikes in your glucose levels. Another major benefit of green tea is its ability to support metabolism and reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to insulin resistance, and the antioxidants in green tea help combat this, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. Some studies have even suggested that regular green tea consumption may help lower fasting blood sugar levels over time, making it a valuable long-term habit. The best part is how easy it is to include in your daily routine. Simply replace your morning sugary beverage with a cup of green tea, hot or iced, and you're already making a smarter choice for your health. For maximum benefits, avoid adding sugar or sweeteners, and consider drinking it alongside your breakfast to support steady energy and better blood sugar control throughout the day. And finally, a satisfying protein option. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent breakfast choice for people with diabetes, mainly because it is high in protein and low in carbohydrates. This combination helps keep your blood sugar levels stable by slowing down digestion and preventing rapid spikes after eating. Instead of experiencing energy crashes, you get a steady and sustained release of energy, making it a reliable way to start your day. Another important benefit of cottage cheese is its ability to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. The high protein content helps control appetite and reduces cravings, especially for sugary or high-carb foods later in the day. For diabetics, this is crucial, as maintaining consistent eating habits and avoiding unnecessary snacking can significantly improve overall blood sugar management. What makes cottage cheese even more appealing is how versatile and easy it is to include in your breakfast. You can pair it with fresh berries for natural sweetness, add nuts for extra crunch and healthy fats, or even enjoy it on its own as a quick and convenient option. It's a simple, nutritious, and diabetes-friendly food that fits perfectly into a balanced morning routine, helping you stay in control of your blood sugar while enjoying your meals. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as choosing the right breakfast. By adding these foods into your daily routine, you can stabilize your blood sugar, reduce cravings, and feel more energized throughout the day. Start small, stay consistent, and your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your journey to better health starts with the choices you make today.